Hi everybody, this is a video of the Philips 25 watt SL prismatic fluorescent bulb. As you can see here, it says Philips Energy Saver SL prismatic, and it says 100 watt equivalent, and it says saves 75% energy and lasts 10 times longer than an ordinary bulb. Use as an ordinary bulb. See side of pack for suggested uses. And in the little circle here it says guaranteed 5 for 5 years. Yep, that's right. And this is, and on here it says Philips Energy Saver 100 watt equivalent SL bulb. And on the other side here it says suggested users for suitable for gardens and patios. It's got that little cat in it. There, pussy. Anyway, and on here it says suggested users and use in garages and lofts. And as you can see, that car looks like Brum, and that front number plate 4UY174. That's what it says on its front number plate. Yeah, it does. It looks like the kiddies program called Brum. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get it out of its box, as you'll see in 1 second or two, everybody. So it's easy to get this one out. So I'm going to put this box onto the breakfast tea table. So anyway, here I have the prismatic fluorescent bulb, and it says on here, it says Philips made in Poland. Yep, that's right. And on the other side, what does it say on the other side? It says, it says SL25, and under the line it says 25 watt slash, what does it say? Oh, the camera's going out of focus. Yeah, it says 25 watt slash 1200 lumens slash 240 volts dash 50 hertz. I know that stupid camera keeps going in and out of focus. I don't know why, but anyway, it's got this stainless steel bayonet 22 cap. Yep, that's right. So that's the bayonet cap. So I'm going to turn it around to the front. So right, that's it now. I'm going to get it into the socket now. So anyway, that's it now. It's fitted in like so. So let me just turn it to the front so you'll see it better. There you go. Right, there you go. I thought I'd face it this way because I know the starter will be in the middle of that, where that little clip where it's on the supporting hook. This is the tallest one. That's the older sister. So anyway, I'm going to right. It's fitted in like so. So anyway, I'm going to turn off the big light now. So right, that's it now. Onto the prismatic bulb now. So right, everybody, ready for the prismatic light bulb to fire up? Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's just come on. As you can see, the starter lit like a bluish colour. Yeah, and as you can see now, the bulb's starting to get brighter, 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 and brighter. So as you can see now, it's like it's reaching its full brightness. And let's look up on the ceiling. Yeah, let's look all around. It's shining more whiter. It's lit up my breakfast tea table so well, it has. And as you can see now, it looks like very bright white on camera. For my eyes, it's like very pinkish white. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to take another good look at this box. As you can see now, it looks like Brum. Yeah, because of the shape of the car. I remember when we used to go shops like this, used to sell bulbs like these back in the 90s. And as you can see, and it's like person in the garden with that lovely pussycat. Isn't he lovely? Anyway, that's used for the outdoor light in the picture, and then for the garage and all, and that's for lofts and all. Like I said, and it's I used to get a couple of these Energy Saver Philips. These bulbs are really my sort of style. They are, and it feels like I remember back in the 90s, I used to buy a bulb like this, and it was quite heavy. I used to try it all around in all the lights in the house when I lived at home. But anyway, enough of its box now, as onto the bulb itself. Let's take a close look into the bulb, shall we? And as you can see now, you can see that supporting hook that's holding the tube so tightly. Sorry about me snot gobbling. Anyway, as you can see now, it's you can see very closely. As you hold close, it's hard to see when it's bright white like this. But anyway, I'm going to look over above the bulb, and as you can see, it's oh yeah, like a letter M shape, like two knuckles. You see clearly the prismatic fluorescent bulb. Yep, that's very prismatic. Yeah, it's like a letter M shape as you see inside the bulb. It's so crystally. It's like when you get these crystal lights. Yeah, so right, anyway, I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on. So anyway, that's it now. The prismatic bulb's gone out, so it's a total blackout now because I've turned off the bulb. So anyway, I'm going to turn the prismatic bulb back on, everybody. Here comes the prismatic bulb. Wow, that's made a right flash, and it made a right dinging noise. It has, as an all. Yeah, it made a right dinging noise. Yeah, and as you can see that the spirit of the bulb coming off as I'm panning the camera and I hold the camera over on the side. It shows you the greenish blue reflection. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit back down and take a good look at another look at this bulb now. And it's lit my fruit really well, and I thought, and I don't usually stand the carton up straight, but it looks better now it's up straight. So, and I know now it burns, it saves 75% electricity, it does. So, as you can see now, it's lit my room completely bright. And it only goes 25 watts warm and 100 watts bright. Yep, and it only burns 25 watts, but it mentions 100 watts, and that's the equivalent, and that's from 25 watts, and that's to 100. So anyway, I'm going to turn off the prismatic bulb now. So that's it now, the prismatic bulb's gone out, so I'm going to turn this big light back on. Right, that's it now, the prismatic bulb's out and the big light's back on now. So anyway guys, this is the video of the Philips 25 watt SL prismatic fluorescent bulb. So I hope you all like this video, so please comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everybody.